Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If you're unable to open the photos or images on Windows 11, we can fix it by only one single step. So here in the start icon, do a right click and then go to settings. And at the left hand side, where we have many options, we need to click on apps and then go to installed apps, and under search apps, type photos. Once you will do that, you will find the Photos Microsoft Corporation, and you need to click on the three dots next to it and then go to Advanced Options and scroll down and do the repair, and it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds to do the repair. And once it is repaired, then we need to click on reset. And then you try to open the photos or the images on Windows 11, and this will definitely fix the problem of photo opening or in Windows 11. Please do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully fixed this issue, and I'll be glad if you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.